Several of you asked for a video about number 8 from the Systems of Equations assessment, and here we go. In this story, we have a group of snails that are heading south at 65 inches per hour, and they started 350 inches north of the water fountain in the 8th grade hallway. And then there's some water bears going north, the opposite direction, at 45 inches per hour. They're going north at 45 inches per hour, and they started 200 inches south. So we have to create two equations. The first equation is going to be an equation using this rate and this starting place for Jazzy's route of pet snails. Oh my goodness, I have a typo there. Let's fix that. Okay, so we have an equation that we can do. And wow, I messed up that typo really badly, so we'll do it again. There we go. All right, so we have first equation for Jazzy's route of snails. So this is a slope-intercept situation because you've got a rate and a starting place. So y equals, they're going south, so we're going to call that negative 65x. And they're starting 350 inches north, so plus 350. And we have another equation for Finn's water bears. They are going north at 45 inches per hour. So they have a rate of 45 inches per hour. And they started 200 inches south of the water fountain. All right, so for this to be a system of equations, for there to be a solution, then y has to equal y. Well, y equals these two expressions. It equals negative 65x plus 350 and 45x minus 200. So what we're going to do is we're going to just make them both, if y is equal to y, then this equals negative 65x plus 350. And now we just have to solve for x. So I will add 65x to both sides. And that will get us 110x equal, and that's still minus 200 equals 350. Now I'm going to add 200 to both sides. And that's going to leave me with 110x equals 550. All right, now I'm going to divide both sides by 110. And 550 divided by 110 is just 5. So x equals 5 hours later. So x is time. So it's 5 hours later. Okay, now we're going to plug in that 5 into one of these equations to find out what y is. We're going to replace x with 5. So 45 times 5. 45 times 5 is, so this is going to be 45 times 5 is 225. And that's minus 200. And 225 minus 200 is 25. So y equals 25 inches. And since it's positive, that's 25 inches north of the water fountain. So our solution is 5 hours, 25 inches north. That's our solution to this problem.